Imagine capturing the world from a bird's eye view, in a way that's vivid, immersive, and full of life. This is the promise of the DJI Mini 2 SE, a drone that's lightweight, portable, and packed with features that make aerial photography a breeze. Weighing in at just under 8.78 ounces, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a featherweight in the drone world. But don't let its size fool you. This drone is a heavyweight when it comes to performance. It's incredibly portable, making it your perfect travel companion for capturing spontaneous moments on the go. One of the Mini 2 SE's standout features is its QHD video capability. This drone delivers stunning aerial footage with crystal clear detail. Whether filming breathtaking landscapes or documenting outdoor adventures, the Mini 2 SE never fails to impress. The controller of the DJI Mini 2 SE is a marvel of intuitive design. Piloting the drone is an absolute breeze, and with a maximum video transmission range of 6.2 miles, the sky really is the limit. Battery life is another area where the Mini 2 SE shines. With up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge, the drone ensures that you spend more time capturing amazing footage and less time worrying about recharging. In terms of safety, the Mini 2 SE has you covered. With automatic return-to-home functionality, the drone will automatically return to its takeoff point if the battery is running low or if it loses connection. This offers peace of mind while you focus on capturing the perfect shot. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact drone that packs a punch. It combines impressive performance, ease of use, and a host of features into a lightweight and portable package. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, the Mini 2 SE is set to impress. So that was a closer look at the DJI Mini 2 SE, a drone that's lightweight, portable, and packed with features for stunning aerial photography. Take to the skies with confidence and capture your world from a whole new perspective with the DJI Mini 2 SE.